Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 future chart. Of course, this week is a shortened trading week. Yesterday, the markets in US were open. However, across the board in Europe and Asia, the markets were in fact shut. So during yesterday's trading session, we saw very little volatility. At one point, we were down around 1%, but we did manage to close the trading session pretty much flat. Only down 0.16%. But to kick off Tuesday here, we are up around 0.28%. So we paired all of yesterday's losses, and we currently find ourselves trading up at around 13,088. Going into this trading week, despite the fact that it is a shortened trading week, it's going to be very volatile due to the fact we have several key economic data releases coming out. So starting as early as tomorrow, we have the CPI inflation reading, and then on Thursday we have the PPI inflation numbers as well, and then on Friday, in my own humble opinion, we have the most important economic data, and that is the retail sales. So that's going to give us a real indication on consumer spending, and that's going to be very important because that will give us a clearer picture of the earnings outlook as we do enter into the earnings season. Of course, we have the banks that kick off earnings this Friday, and then before you know it, we'll be hearing from the likes of Microsoft and Tesla in a week's time. So it's going to be very important next couple of weeks here for the Nasdaq100 as we go through the big tech names. But the Nasdaq100 from a technical perspective is still looking very bullish. We find ourselves trading within this uptrend. We continue to create a series of higher lows. That's what's very important here. We are clearly in an uptrend. We have the 50-day EMA, which has recently pierced above the 200-day EMA. And what I really like about this chart, guys, is that we have a very upward aggressive sloping 50 and 200-day EMA, and this is typically a very bullish sign here. And I feel like there's not much in the way now for us to go and hit those August swing highs, which currently sit up at around 13,600. So I myself and my signal team still hold a buy trade in this Nasdaq100. This is a signal I sent out about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I continue to hold here. It's trading very nicely in profit, and I am expecting us to see a continuation of this move higher in the Nasdaq100. So if you would like to be part of my signal team and copy this Nasdaq100 trade as well as many others that I currently still have open, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. That'll take you through to my website where you can then subscribe to my service for a very small joining fee of $29.